So our Xterra got stuck on the side of the road. It wouldn't shift into drive. This is a common problem on Xterras and Frontiers, and to fix it, you start by pulling out the center console. There is no tools required for this. You just simply grab it and rip it up. Okay, once those are out, you can see where the problem is.
Yeah, look at that. There it is.
This screw has come loose. It holds a piece of spring steel in place that when you shift, this is what it should look like. So that piece of metal that's sliding up and down on the bottom there, it's covered in kind of like an orange grease. It falls into that gap. When the screw comes loose, the end of that metal falls into the gap. So with the car in park, you can loosen up that screw enough to be able to move the metal, depress the shift lock right there, and put the car into reverse. While it's in reverse, you have enough room to move the metal back to where it's supposed to be, just like that. Tighten down the screw again, make sure it works like this, and you are good to go.